Video calls like this were one of the many tools that helped us navigate a pandemic that demanded isolation for survival. But 5 years later, they're now a convenient resource, making our lives easier.
Today, we are announcing the first presumptive case of coronavirus in our community.
When COVID-19 first arrived in our community,
there was basically panic from everybody. No one knew what was going on.
Preventative measures were needed to try to get a handle on the spread of the virus.
We spent a lot of time indoors and we stocked up on things like everybody else did. But I wasn't too concerned about it.
The widespread panic sent millions scrambling to grocery stores, urgently stocking up on supplies, leading to a toilet paper shortage and empty shelves. You may also remember official guidance urged all of us to wear masks, social distancing, and keep washing our hands. Eventually, we needed to get in line for COVID tests and vaccines.
No shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service.
Really implementing safety for that then.
Now, post-pandemic, some of those protections still play a pivotal role in our lives. Many of us still use curbside pickup at the grocery stores or contactless delivery for takeout. All ways businesses got creative to survive COVID-19, and Zoom is a common way we communicate professionally and personally. Here at Channel 13, we often use it for our interviews.
What do you say are some of the changes that were implemented back then that you might still be using now?
There's really only one thing that I can really say that people are using for protection, safety: hand sanitizer.
And while many restaurants have returned to pre-pandemic services, there are some who still offer digital menus.
I go to restaurants a lot, and so another thing that I noticed was the digital menus,
right,
which was to me very annoying because you had to like download an app sometimes, or you had to use the phone, and my phone is like was like barely working at the time, and so like it's like, just give me a paper menu, you know.
And though not immediately apparent, the pandemic left some people feeling thankful.
Brought me closer to my family. We did so many different things as a family that like COVID actually was a net positive for us holistically.
Reporting from Las Vegas, Giovanni Carrillo.